Ladies and gentlemen, here's where you sit to drive the easy way in a push-button swept-wing dive. Now, let's show you how it works. Well, the first step is that button N, easy way to start. Next step, button D, another simple part. Then slide away automatically, almost imperceptibly. You just lean back and turn that wheel, and the button drives the automobile. For reverse, touch the button R. Oh, this button part, best by far. Button 1, that's for power and low. Button 2 takes you downhill low. Well, that's it, folks. That's all there is to it. That's push-button drive, and that's how you do it. You see your dealer. Give it a try. And a swept-wing Dodge is a car you buy. Why settle for less? Why pay more? Get all the car you're paying for. That's swept-wing Dodge. Swept-wing Dodge. That's swept-wing 58 Dodge. This is what we call a pedestal camera. Now, with this television camera, we bring you many interesting pictures. Right now, I'll look through this viewfinder. We'll show you a swept-wing 58 Dodge. But wonderful as television is, there are many, many wonderful things that it just cannot do. For instance, it can't possibly bring you the feeling of effortless driving and the smoothness of Dodge Torsion-bar ride, or the experience of complete control and mastery that's yours behind the wheel of this great car. I'm sure that many of you know the expression, one picture is worth 10,000 words. But when it comes to discovering the many wonderful advantages of that swept-wing 58 Dodge, believe me, one ride is worth 10,000 pictures. You see your Dodge dealer and take the wheel to get that swept-wing feel.